Good morning, teacher Michelle. My name is Taswai. I belong to 10C, and today I am going to present input form about vocabulary, adventure travel, present perfect with already, use and yet, with idea in relation to rafting and backpacking. I hope you will like it. Um, Rafting and backpacking. I just went rafting for the first time, and it was an exciting experience. I have already planned my next rafting trip. However, I have been backpacking in a while since I know how to before the pandemic, so I am felt a little rusty. I still have to plan my next backpacking trip. I probably go to the Cajas, but I am determined to do it soon in this month or the next. I have backpacking Mondays before either with family or parents, and it was of the most challenging and relaxed climate experience of my life. There were was my parents and my sister. I have arrived preparing my backpack with everything I need like flashlight and canned food. But I just need to decide on a destination. Maybe I will combine backpacking with rafting on our next trip since here in the mountains there are many areas with mountain and minor rivers. I haven't done it yet, but I am so like and welcome to explore the great doors. Thank you.